'Twas 11 days till Christmas and some guy was worried. Must find a garage in a definite hurry. I need the right cases with tools just so many to entertain the YouTube with gadgets aplenty. Under the workbench there was such a pile. Take one out each day to make everyone smile. Some guy exclaimed as he looked what's in sight. Merry Casemass to all, let me pick one just right. On the second day of Casemass, my workbench gave to me 2 different Machinist tools that are used for clamping stuff in a vise on a mill most often. So we'll start on the right here. These are parallels. So we'll open that up. What these are precision ground pieces of metal that are exactly parallel to each other. So the faces here and here are bang on, within thousandths of an inch, perfectly parallel with each other. So what that lets you do is with the milling vise here, you can set these in the jaws and it gives you a perfectly level surface. And if I say grab another parallel here just as an example, you can set the work right on top of those and you know that you're still flat within this plane, and then you'd obviously clamp down the vise. So it gives you a way to lift work up in the vise but still hold it perfectly square and true in the vise. So the second tool I have here is also for clamping, and these are called V-Blocks. So what these are, again, are precision ground, perfectly square and parallel blocks that you can use for holding round stock or other oddly shaped things in the milling vise as well. They also come with their own clamps here, so you can slide these, if I grab the right size, you can slide these clamps on them to be able to clamp stuff down within the V-block itself. Or when you're clamping within a vise, if we open this up and put the other V-block in here as well, just to give us 2 surfaces, if we get this open enough here, what you can end up doing then is perfectly clamping round stock like this in the vise. So those will hold the material in the vise correctly when they're round. And lots of other things that you might need to hold, you can use V-Blocks for as well. And of course they come in different sizes just to hold different size materials as well with their applicable clamps. So that's it for the second day of Casemass. We had a couple Machinist tools that you use for clamping and holding work material in a vise or otherwise. One case done and another day closer. Become a subscriber, don't miss another. Merry Casemass to all, and we'll see you tomorrow.